Hi everyone, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. I will show you guys today very yummy chicken sandwich. Today I make it chicken sandwich with the breast meat. You guys can see. I cut it medium thin and I put little bit pinch of salt and black pepper. Then marinate for 10 minutes. Unsalted sweet cream butter and I will make one sandwich, so I need one egg and heavy whipped cream 1 tablespoon. Look at this, very nice, beautiful color. Yummy. Now, you guys can use breadcrumb, Italian style, or anyone, whatever you like it. The breadcrumb should be for one sandwich. Pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, little bit garlic powder, paprika, depends. If you like hot, then you can put a little bit more, or if you don't like, you don't have to give it. And mix it up. Then now it's warm. I already put it sweet and unsalted butter. It's already hot. Just like this. I will do one more. It looks yummy. It looks very, very yummy. Just like this. Just medium, low medium. And the smell is so good. I love this smell. Turn it on the other side. Already 3 minutes each side. Almost done. You can see how they look like. It's very yummy and good smell. Look at the beauty, very smell good, very, very nice. Now I will use sesame seed brioche roll. I like it. I hope everybody like it too. I toast it for 1 minute 20 seconds. This is my chicken patty. I toasted my brioche roll, nice and brown. Now I mix up real mayonnaise. Lettuce. You can use also Romania lettuce. This is regular red lettuce. If you like, you can put couple of onion. I just put a little bit, and green pepper, just one, and tomato, 1 or 2 slices. Cucumber, 1 and 2. A good yummy chicken patty. Then single American white cheese. Put it here. One over here. Now look at my sandwich. Look at my yummy, delicious, healthy chicken sandwich. If you like my chicken sandwich, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.